All right, where are interest rates headed next? I have the answer, but you gotta wait to watch till the end to find out. On this episode of Reiner Real Estate. All right, interest rates. Everybody wants to know. I have the answer, but you're gonna watch till the end to find out. But let me just tell you, before you do that, make sure you've liked this post, video, subscribe, and leave us a comment if you have any questions. Are you continuing to find yourself puzzled over the ebb and the flows of these mortgage rates? As we're filming this, rates are at about 7.5 on a 30-year fix. Are you, like many other potential buyers out there, waiting on the sides, ready to pounce into buying a home as soon as those rates lower? Well, I have the answer of how much longer you're gonna have to wait. The answer is when inflation drops. Behold our trusty graph where inflation and mortgage rates dance at a predictable tango. On the left, every time inflation takes a bold step dressed in the dashing blue, mortgage rates in a sophisticated green aren't far behind with their response. Historically speaking, mortgage rates may just be biding their time, poised to do as they always do, which is mirror inflation's descent. So I really don't have a crystal ball. It's not flawless, but a dip in rates would certainly align with the rhythm of this long-established dance over the historical history of rates. Look on the right side of this graph, mortgage rates have increased significantly since the start of last year. But even with that rise, today's rates at this high are still below the 52-year average. Over the past 15 years, many of us have really weared rose-colored glasses because we've become accustomed to mortgage rates that were between 3 and 5%. Ah, the good old days. But it's keeping in line with the 52-year average, which is important because that helps explain why the recent jump in rates might have you feeling a little sticker shock, even though they're close to the long-term average. While many buyers have adjusted to this elevated rates over the past year, and they've gotten their mind right on that, a slightly lower rate would obviously be a welcome sight to most people. So to determine if that's a realistic possibility, it's important to go back and look at inflation. So yes, it's true, I don't have a crystal ball to give you the future. Most experts now are saying that next summer we might finally see some relief. However, in order for you to truly understand what mortgage rates are going to be, it's helpful for you to continue to look at where they've been in the past, and that there is a clear connection between inflation and mortgage rate. So what I would say is that this relationship holds true. The recent decline we've had in inflation may be good news for the future of mortgage rates, and for the many of you that are out there that may be wanting to purchase soon. And as always, stay informed. That's what we're here to bring you value so you can do that. And remember that in this real estate game that we're in, staying informed isn't just a key, it's the house music to our market moves. So don't miss the beat. The market sure doesn't. We'll see you next time on Reiner Real Estate.